Earth was in danger of being destroyed by the X-Cons. Me and Bumblebee and the rest of the Metal X team stopped them all. We helped stop Decacon, Sifu, Indabai, and the all and great Sulfadon himself. We've been through a lot, and I am the only remaining Metal X out of 95. So imagine all the crap that me and the team went through, and you humans think it's a joke. You have no idea, none whatsoever, what we have sacrificed for you. Yet you all don't even know I exist. I am the hunter from the east, disguising myself with this primitive form. You know me as Sector 7 now. And Earth will be left for the X-Cons and all who inhabit it to do whatever they wish. I, on the other hand, will leave this planet. Why? Because my mission is completed and I am the only Metal X remaining.